Well, what are we doing today?
Okay, so she's obviously never had like an official haircut.
Never.
Never.
Okay.
She does a little modeling. So she had a trim on set one day, and then I straightened it for my brother-in-law's wedding and trimmed some of the dead ends. Like
Okay.
there's a lot. So obviously she needs help with the shape. That's my biggest concern.
Yeah.
Like the back, it seems like it starts to like stack at the top, and then
Yeah.
there's like a lot. Yes, like and as the
Disconnection.
day goes on, yeah. And so the other thing I would like just help on is like not having to like feel like I'm redoing my hair
Every
single
day.
Yeah,
Okay.
so I struggle a little bit with that personally. Would like some bangs.
You do?
I've kind of
Okay,
DIY'd
I'm so
some
excited because I was
bangs
gonna say we
there,
should do
but-
bangs. Okay. Are you trying to learn how to do your hair? Are you
Yeah.
wanting to do that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
she likes to do it herself in the shower. So
Okay.
I'm kind of transitioning to her taking some control of that.
Yeah, let's do that. I think that's great. So, Cello, how do you like your hair to be?
I like it down mostly.
Most of the time you like it down. Do you like it really big?
Hmm.
Yeah? Okay. So do you like that? The bangs right here?
Yeah.
Bangs.
Do you like that style?
I like the bangs.
Okay. What do you not like about it?
I don't like the top of the hair.
You don't
how
like
it's
how
up here
big
big?
it
Yeah.
is?
Yeah.
Okay. So when we look at the bangs here, do you see my bangs? Do you like how that looks?
Yeah.
Okay. So you don't really want like a full bang?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Do you not want this to be big?
Yeah. Not that
Why?
big. I like it big, but not that big.
Why?
Mm.
Okay.
Are you
Yeah, I think
with
you're
hair
just
like
not
that?
used to seeing your hair, but whenever we style you, you're going to be more defined. So I know it's hard for you to envision that, but I think you're going to like it if we do have it more defined and it's like that. Do you trust me?
Yes.
Okay. I think that we should at least pull like this front area to be your bang because it's kind of already shorter. And then this will just kind of gradually come forward as well.
I think it's cute.
I think it's going to be super cute.
Does it feel comfortable to use this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.